Hi guys, it's Sir Menton here, and in today's video, what we'll be going through is we'll be going through Farm Tools assignment because I just want you guys to have the best understanding of the assignment in order to get it done as soon as possible and to have it submitted. Okay. Um. So first things first, right? As you guys see, we have access to our Google Classroom over here. Alright, we have access to our Google Classroom and we have the separation by classes. So we have four classes. We have 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D. So the first thing we'll go on is to 2B's, and we have the assignment here, Farm 2 assignment, and it's the same assignment for all the classes, so it's not different. And we have your instructions here. So all of your instructions for the assignment is here on this page, and everything is pretty straightforward. Um, Section A is just asking you to get pictures of each one of these devices, so you can get a picture or two. It's up to you for these devices. And the next one here is define the following types of input devices. This is just asking you to tell me what is a manual input device, what is a touch sensitive device, what is a direct data entry device. So I have examples here, right, to give you guys a better, clearer understanding of, the types of devices that I am referring to. So just define it, just tell me what it is in your own words, just tell me what these devices are. Next, we have section B, uses of input devices, and explain why the following devices are used and what tasks they perform. This is pretty simple as well. I don't want you guys to overthink this. It's just asking you, okay, why do people use a keyboard and what can they use it for? Now, why do people use a keyboard? The persons, they use a keyboard to input data into a computer, into a phone. You know, it's input letters, input numbers. They have keypads and so on. It's simple to tell me why do people use it and tell me what they use it for. Like, they use the text, they use it to communicate, they use it to input instructions, and so on and so on. Same thing with a barcode reader. What is a barcode reader used for? They're used to scan. They use to scan barcodes and items. Why do people use them? People use them to sell items, to do point of sale. So just tell me why it's used and like what is the purpose and what it can be used for. It's simple. Next, we have section C here, application of these input devices. List two places or areas where the following devices are commonly found or used. This is pretty straightforward as well. Just tell me where two places where the smart card can be used or found, the OCR, the touchpad, and MICR. And just tell me two places or two areas where these can be found or where they are utilized normally. Next, for our additional instructions, this is for 5 marks and it's our formatting basically. Presentation of the assignment. It is an assignment, so I like for you guys to make it presentable. Do a cover page, add borders, use the usual stuff, how you'd make an assignment presentable. Try to paraphrase and put information into your own words as much as possible. Now for this one, I understand that I'm asking you guys to do research and go on the internet to get this information, but I don't want you to provide it to me wholesale, like just copy and paste. I'd like for you to actually paraphrase it, which means just put it into your own words, put it over in your own words, try to explain it to me. Not word for word from the internet, but just your own understanding of it and try to relay that over to me. Next is save your file as a Word document with the file name, IT assignment 1, etc, etc, etc. Now let me actually pull this up for you guys and show you guys. So we have a Word file, we're coming up here, right? So okay, so I'll copy this and I'll put the Word file over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it. So I'm gonna save this file, example. I'm gonna save this and I'll save it to my downloads, and let's go browse. Let's browse. All right, this is a normal pop-up that you guys should be accustomed to, and let's go ahead and put it in our downloads, and we're gonna paste this stuff we just copied. Hold on, let me just ensure that it's copied. Alright, great. So we're gonna go ahead and save it. Here we're gonna browse, and we're gonna paste it into here. Why is it showing like this? Gosh. Alright. Supposed to have an example here in my downloads. Great. So you have this one here, right? IT assignment. So for you guys, it will be IT assignment 2, and it is grade 8A if you're in a part of grade 8A, and if you're in group 4, just put it as group 4 or group 2, and etc. And it's just like this. You don't have to put dot docx, because as long as you have it as a Word document here, there's just a document file, and when you have it saved, you save it as that, and then you go and upload it. As you can see, the changes has been made up here. Okay, and that's it for the assignment part. Lastly, I want to touch on this thing here. So you guys have been asking me to yeah, you guys have been asking me, like, the link is not working for me, it's not giving me access, it's not showing up. So let me actually show you guys what's really happening. So I have your groups here, and if you look to the top right, I have my share, which means anyone with the link, right, can be able to edit. They have editor access to this file. Next, we were having some notifications on here. I want to click here. Some persons are asking for access requests. Now when I click on this, these persons are asking me for access. So it will try to give you access to this document. Look what will happen. So I'm giving her access. Try again. Then I'm clicking share, and then I'm getting an error message. The administrator for the bishops, etc., etc., is not, this action is not allowed. So even if I try to, you would not be able to access it. All you need to do is use your personal email instead of the bishop's email in order to access and edit this file. Now, if you're having difficulties, open it up from the Google Classroom. All you need to do is go here, copy the link, and then go into your web browser, click into it, and then you can search for it, and it will open up, and you can be able to access it and edit it, and you can make the changes here. You can be able to change your emails there. Okay, last thing here, it is a group assignment, right? So we have different sections, and you have groups here with at least with 3 members, right? I'd like for you guys to equally divide up the tasks or the questions amongst yourselves. So keep the work equal, just so that everyone has something to do, and to make the group assignment fair. I don't want free marks, or person getting free marks if they're not working for it. So as divide up the tasks amongst yourself, and create a second page in this document. It could be the last page, showing me the name of the group members and what tasks they had completed. Okay, so it's have Sermonton here, Sermonton, and let's just say completed section A, or you can go ahead and create a table. So you can go here, insert a table, like a 3 table, group member, completed, and you put the member's name here and what task they had completed. So simple as that, and that's it for basically for the assignment. I will be changing the due date here. So the due date for this assignment, it is on this upcoming week on Wednesday the 4th. That is the last day for the assignment. However, I will be changing it so that you to an earlier date, like today, so that you guys can be able to submit early. But the very last day for the assignment will be on December the 4th, and that is on a Wednesday. Okay, guys? But that is it for today, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Oh, also make sure to like and subscribe.